Ladies and gentlemen, we are continuing doing the lintel here. Well, Omar is continuing doing this lintel. So we will do this one, then we pass on this one. What else? I really appreciate your help. Many of you were sending us money. The problem is when you send money by YouTube, they keep 60%. So, you know, we really have to make a wish list. So like this, you can help us getting tools directly. About sponsorships, you know, for the moment we asked to several companies, but we didn't get any sponsorship for the moment. I think we don't have enough followers or maybe not enough views, but our profile is quite difficult, I think, for people who are doing their ads, because, you know, we are located in France, but we are not we are not doing the content in French. So for them it's quite a difficult profile of a company who advertises something. Well, whatever, we just continue doing what we can. The other thing that we have to do soon is to put in service a part of the water canalization. You know, some of it was cut by some people who steal things and who travel, but finally I think a part of it can be repaired. So today I got from our supplier some fittings and some pipe. So we will try to keep a part of the old system and install new system, new water arrivals. Like this we can get water like not far every time we go to the basement to get it, but just, you know, from here. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this stone that we just found, that what I was thinking putting above, it has a strange shape. You know, it has a shape of a stone that makes the key of the vault. And here you can see that there's something like this with the bricks that are staying like a vault. And the thing you have maybe everywhere on all the other lintels. So let me explain how does it work. For example, I want to make a lintel or an arch with stones. So how do I make it? For example, you have two stones and you have the third one that is above. That is like this. So the stone that is above, if it has a load, it will work only in flexion, like this. If I have to make two stones held like this, they will for sure work here in compression and they will hold finally nothing. That's why what was done several times, it's putting the stones in shape of a vault, staying on the bearings finally, staying on other stones. So like this, the load that is coming here is distributed to the sides, so it's distributed to the walls, and so it transforms the flexion in compression here. It annihilates all the flexion that is above. So maybe we will have to find a way to put this stone somehow so it gives the strength transforming the flexion into compression. So let me talk also about our situation, how we are financially. Financially, for the moment, nothing changed. We are continuing working, we have works, but the money doesn't enter. Actually, we were asked for 2 quite big sites in terms of money and some small sites. You know, I'm taking everything now. Private sites, also public sites. So the one that was signed, it's a big one. It makes us like half of our annual turnover in a month. The problem is it's a public site, so first we do and then we get paid. So now I'm trying to see with them how we can get invoicing by week. You know, what we do in a week, we invoice it immediately. It starts in half of the May, like after 15th of the May, but we will have to start it. Then there's another one for the railroad. Railroad is Charles de Gaulle Express, so the little train that goes from the airport to some railway station. We have to do like little bridges, like footpath. But for the site, they didn't sign yet our quotation. They didn't pay the advance payment because it's a private society, so we ask for an advance payment, half that is used to get materials and everything. So for the moment I didn't get the materials, but last week I had to go in a meeting there. This week they asked me to go, but you know, I'm saying, like, for the moment nothing was signed, so why do I go? At least to push them to pay. We already sent them the invoice for starting their works. For the moment we don't have any news, so today I am expecting the news from this site also. There's 2 little sites. For one, piles are being made, and for another one, for the moment I didn't give a date for our job on the site. Otherwise, we will have to finish the site in Thiviers, the one we are waiting the invoice to be paid. They told us the week of the 1st of May. Now we are in the week of the 1st of May, so we're expecting 15,000. I don't know if it will be paid this week, next week. That's really a lottery. We never know when we are getting paid. That's quite a trouble. Well, but in all cases we have works. Now I need to speak to the banks and you know, to see how we can advance. You know, the trouble I already talked about. 8 years ago I did a bankrupt company. It wasn't this company, the company that I'm running now. It's running already for 11 years. It's our like 12th year, I think. And on this company we didn't have much troubles, but you know, in 2017 I started a company. It was a garage. We were 4 partners and we started a garage to fix Harley Davidsons. People who were with me, they were not mechanics, they were just people who invested money. Not much money. I was the one who invested most, because in Laval, in our town, there was no company that fixed Harley Davidsons. As you know, me, I am a Harley Davidson enthusiast. That's why I wanted to make something that can bring a market. And finally, during 6 months, it was working really well. Then we got troubles with mechanic, whose quality of work was quite bad. So I replaced the mechanic, but it didn't save the reputation of our garage. You know, if the bike comes with 1 oil leak and then finally gets out with 2, it's not bad, not good, sorry. You know, by the motorcycle club I was before, I got another mechanic, and you know, we had already better reputation, so finally we didn't manage to save the company. And this liquidation, this bankrupt, causes me troubles now, because the bank that we are working with, they don't trust us anymore. Even, you know, we were insured and everything against bankrupt, but now they are saying, yeah, like you, maybe if you pay personally the debt that was for the credit of the garage, It was something like 9,000 euros. Maybe we can see in 6 months to open you some possibilities, you know. And I'm saying, okay, let's see. If I'm paying it personally, I'm okay to pay it personally, even if it's a gray zone. It's not completely legal, because legally all the debts of the bankrupted company are already like wiped. But I'm okay to pay this debt, but I just want to show that this money will go to cover the debt really legally not existing anymore. And I want to be sure that later they will open us some services. For the moment, they are not engaging themselves to any services that they will put in place if I pay the debt. So that's why, you know, for sure some of you will say, yeah, change the bank. I cannot change the bank. Well, I cannot. I can, but the other bank is calling the bank that we are now, and the bank says, yeah, he got troubles. He is a risky client. So that's why it doesn't help to get the treasury funds. So that's why I have also to deal with the public bank here in France that maybe can be caution for any private bank, so we can get some payment facilities. You know, I was speaking in one of the videos in French about factoring that we got, and finally factoring for us, it was a solution, because, you know, the factor doesn't risk much if they advance money on the invoice, but it was quite much money, so we lost quite much. Now I'm looking for a possibility to save a little bit more. You know, if you lose 30% of what you are getting, it's not quite comfortable. It doesn't bring us up, you know. It was a solution, but now it's not the solution anymore. Like, our actual turnover is public in 70%. It means we have state contracts, like 70% of our contracts are state contracts. And for this, you know, the solution is to pass by any other possibility, any other financial tool. And finally, what we got with the factoring is we were losing control on the tool completely. That's why I had to stop it in March. I paid, like, from my money, whatever I had, I paid just to exit there, you know. So we closed the contract there. Now the invoices for state contracts are not passing by any factor. They come to us, but we have to wait all the time. And the delay, you know, it's finally that kills you, because you know, you have two kinds of businesses. You have fast business or dead business. So I prefer to be in fast business. Ladies and gentlemen, so as you can see, works are going. We continue, so please like, follow us, comment. More there's comments, better it is. The wish list is online, so you can check. If you can help us, we really will be grateful, how do you say? Well, so see you soon. See you in next episode.